This video explains the difference between a PoE switch and a non-PoE switch. Imagine you plug in a single cable, and your camera turns on and goes online at once. Now imagine another camera that needs two cables, one for power, one for the internet. Both look the same from the outside, but one hides a power trick inside. Knowing that trick can save you money, time, and a lot of wiring mess. Here's what each switch does. A PoE or switch sends data and electrical power through the same network cable. It can power devices like IP cameras, Wi-Fi access points, and VoIP phones without extra power plugs. A non-PoE switch sends only data through the cable and cannot power devices at all. Any device on a non-PoE switch needs its own power adapter or outlet. PoE stands for Power over Ethernet, which is the name of this Power Plus data technology. Both PoE and non-PoE switches still do the same basic job of moving data between devices. The difference is that PoE adds built-in power delivery to that job. This extra feature changes how you plan cables, sockets, and where you can put devices. Let's find out why the difference matters. If you pick a non-PoE switch but buy PoE cameras, you will need extra power injectors or adapters for each camera. That means more cost, more points of failure, and more clutter. If you buy a PoE switch for simple PCs and printers, you might spend more than you need. Knowing the difference helps you match the switch to the job and budget. PoE is very useful when devices sit on ceilings in halls or outside, where power sockets are hard to add. A single cable makes installs faster and safer for these spots. Non-PoE works well on desks or racks, where power strips are already close by. In many homes and small offices, a mix of both types is common. Here's a simple example to illustrate the point. You want to install 4 IP security cameras around a small office. With a PoE switch, you run only one cable to each camera, and the switch powers them all. With a non-PoE switch, you still run the network cables, but each camera also needs its own power adapter and socket nearby. In tight spaces or high ceilings, finding or adding those sockets can be hard and expensive. Think of PoE as a smart train track that carries both people and food on the same train. The people are like data, and the food is like power. A non-PoE switch is an older system where one train line carries people, and a totally separate truck route brings food. The PoE train needs less road, less planning, and fewer stations, which makes building the system simpler. PoE switch, one cable, data plus power. Non-PoE switch, data only. Power must come from somewhere else. Remember it like this. PoE feeds and talks, non-PoE only talks. When you plan any network, ask yourself first, do my devices just need to talk, or do they need to be fed too?
Simply click the link below to learn more.